In this video, I'll guide you through how to insert a picture into a SurveyMonkey question. Whether you're looking to make your surveys more engaging or visually appealing, adding images is a great way to enhance your questions. Let's dive right in and walk you through the steps to achieve this. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to SurveyMonkey's website at surveymonkey.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. This platform is user-friendly, but navigating to the right features is key to making the most out of your survey creation. Once you're in, look for the All Surveys tab. Clicking on this will take you to the list of surveys you've created or are currently working on. This is your main hub for accessing and managing your surveys. Here, you can either choose an existing survey or start a new one, depending on your needs. After selecting the survey you want to work with, click on it to open. This will take you to the survey's overview page, where you can make edits, view responses, and more. Now locate the Build tab at the top left of the screen. Clicking on this will bring you into the survey editor, where you can add, remove, or modify questions and other elements of your survey. The Build section is your creative space where you can structure your survey exactly how you envision it. Next, click on Single Text Box from the question types. This option allows you to create a question that includes a text field for respondents to type their answers in. It's versatile and can be used for various types of questions. Now that you've selected the single text box, it's time to type in your question or prompt in the text area provided. This is where you can set the context for your respondents before you add the visual element. Once your text is in place, look for the Insert or Edit Image button. This is typically found within the text editor toolbar, which includes various formatting options. Click on this button and it will open up a dialog box, allowing you to add an image to your question. In the dialog box that appears, you'll have the option to browse your computer or device for the image you want to insert. Choose the image that best fits your survey question, keeping in mind the relevance and clarity of the picture to ensure it adds value. After selecting your image, click OK to upload and insert it into your question. And there you have it. Your image is now part of your SurveyMonkey question, making it stand out and potentially increasing engagement from your respondents. Remember, images can help clarify your questions and make your survey more visually appealing, so use this feature wisely. This simple guide will show you how to insert a picture into a SurveyMonkey question. The process is straightforward and can significantly enhance the quality of your surveys. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more of SurveyMonkey's help resources or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy surveying!